topic is what is blood and their functions. So we will start now. So what is the definition of blood? The blood is essential to life. Blood circulates through our body and delivers essential substances like oxygen and nutrients to the body's cells. It also transports metabolic waste product away from those same cells. There is no substitute for blood. It cannot be made or manufactured. Generously, blood donors are the only source of blood for patients in need of a blood transfusion. And this is a structure or maybe a image or an animatic image of blood, red blood cells. And what is the basic four components of blood? So first, there are four basic components that is comprise human blood. First is plasma, which is liquid. Second is RBC, which is red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the tissues. And third is WBC, which is white blood cells, which fight infections in our body. And fourth is platelets, smaller cells that help blood to clot. And now, what is the component? This is the basically structure of components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets look like, and plasma. This is the basic form of blood. And now we will discuss depth one by one. So first is red blood cells, RBC. Red blood cells, RBC, also called erythrocytes in other names, and the red blood cells represents 40 to 45% of your blood volume. They are generated from your bone marrow at a rate of 4 to 5 billion per hour. RBC's life cycle 120 days in our body. And now what is plasma? Plasma is the liquid portion of your blood. Plasma is yellowish in color and it made up mostly of water, but it also contains protein, sugar, hormones and salts. It transports water and nutrients to your body's tissue. Plasma constitutes approximately 55% of blood fluid in human. The remaining 45% of blood mainly consists of red and white blood cells and platelets. Plasma is 92% water, and the contents of the remaining 8% include carbon dioxide, glucose, hormones, proteins, mineral salts, fats and vitamins. Now, what is WBC or white blood cells? Although white blood cells, also called leukocytes, only amount for about 1% of your blood, they are very important. White blood cells are essentials for good health and protection against illness and disease. Like RBC, they are consistently being generated from your bone marrow. They flow through the bloodstream and attack foreign bodies like virus and bacteria. They can even leave the bloodstream to extend the fight into tissues or in any cells our body. And what is platelets? Platelets, also called thrombocytes. Platelets are the smallest of our blood cells and literally look like small plate in their non-active form. Platelets control bleeding wherever a wound occurs. The blood vessels will send out a signal. Platelets receive the signal and travel to the area and transform into their active formation or active form, growing long tentacles to make contact with the vessels and form cluster to plug the wound until it heals. And now, what is the function of blood? So there is blood supplying oxygen to cells and tissues. Blood providing essential nutrients to cell such as amino acids, fatty acids and glucose. Blood removing waste materials such as carbon dioxide, urea and lactic acid from our body. blood protecting the body from infection and foreign bodies through the white blood cells. Blood transporting hormones from one part of the body to another part, transmitting messages and completing important process. Blood regulating acidity, pH, power of hydrogen level and body temperature. Blood engorging part of the body when needed, for example a penile erection as a response to sexual arousal. And another important part of blood, it is protective action against disease. White blood cells defend the body against infection, foreign materials and abnormal cells. The platelet in the blood enable the clotting or coagulation of blood. When bleeding occurs, the platelet group together to create a clot. The clot become a scab and stop the bleeding as well as helping to protect the wound from infection.